Incredible chicken thighs, better than KFC. To start, we'll use 12 chicken thighs. With a sharp knife, make small cuts on both sides of the thighs, as I'm showing here. These cuts help the marinade penetrate the chicken better, ensuring a more intense flavor. Let me know if you like receiving chicken or meat recipes, so I can bring more of your favorites. This recipe will surprise your family with how delicious it turns out. Transfer all the thighs to a dish and set aside while we prepare the marinade. In a bowl, add 100 grams of plain yogurt, 1 egg, 20 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, some black pepper to taste, and 2 chopped garlic cloves. Mix all the ingredients well until you get a smooth mixture. Pour this mixture over the chicken thighs and spread it well, ensuring each piece of chicken is well coated. This step is crucial for ensuring even flavor in every piece. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This time will help intensify the flavors and make the chicken even more tasty. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the chicken thighs on it, just like I'm showing. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 25 minutes. In a pan, add 80 grams of butter and let it melt over low heat. Then add 50 grams of ketchup and mix well. The ketchup will add a touch of sweetness and acidity, complementing the chicken's flavor. Using a kitchen brush, spread the sauce over the chicken thighs, covering each piece well. After that, put the chicken back in the oven for another 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This time will help the sauce caramelize and create an irresistible layer on top. And it's done. Your chicken thighs are now prepared and full of flavor. For a final touch, you can add a bit of chopped green onions on top. To ensure you keep receiving all our delicious recipes and don't miss any of our updates, it's important to continue interacting with this video. Don't forget to rate the recipe from 0 to 10. I'd love to know which city you're watching us from so I can thank you. I'm super excited to hear what you think. Thank you for watching and see you in the next recipe. Bon appétit!